Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your earnings with Cash App. Quick tutorial step by step clearly.
To verify your economic outlook with the Wall Street Journal, start by visiting the official website.
Log into your account using your registered phone number or email address. Type in relevant keywords related to your economic outlook, such as economic forecast or market trends. Press the scroll down and select the business option if you're using a business account. Look for articles that are recent and authored by credible journalists. In the Statements section, you'll see different time frames for transaction history. Choose the relevant time frame to view your earnings. Pay attention to the sources cited within the article for additional credibility. If available, access related charts and graphs to visualize the data. Make sure to check if any fees were deducted from your earnings. To download your earnings report, look for the export option. Economy or global markets. Read through multiple articles to gather diverse perspectives. Consider checking out opinion pieces or editorials for insights from experts. If you have a subscription, access premium content for a more comprehensive analysis. For ongoing updates, consider setting up alerts for specific topics of interest. Your verification process is now complete. This comprehensive approach will help ensure a well-rounded understanding of your economic outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure.
Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos.
Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos.